Puerto Princesa, Palawan, people are telling you are the one to beat. How does it feel for
But
you?
actually, I feel the opposite because I am first time in national pageant. I feel like I have a lot of to learn through experience. But actually, I will learn really a lot through this experience because it's my first national pageant. Everyone is very competitive, so I will just do my best and stay humble.
Yeah, speaking of competitive, who do you think yung makaka-last man standing mo between you, Puerto Princesa, at sino ang mahigpit mong magiging makalaban?
Okay. Actually, I think everyone is very hard to beat, but my main candidate that I consider is Cavite, Manhan, because they have a lot of experience, and Lipa, si Mark Marasigan, because they have previous experience to national pageant. So I think they are the one that I should consider as heavy opponent or heavy competitor.
Is it a pressure for you? Kasi sinasabi ng karamihan ngayon na if you will gonna make it to the man of the world, straight to that crown, may pag-asa na ang Pilipinas ngayong year na makuha ang title of man of the world. So if you're gonna be winning man of the world Philippines, malaki daw po ang chance natin maging man of the world at makuha na ang corona. Sa tagal-tagal hindi po natin siya nakukuha.
I just want to say that let's hope for the best because I'm not totally sure about myself. I am just confident to this present situation, but I'm not totally confident because it's my first national pageant. But where will God put me? I will be there. I will do my best. That's all.
Na sa lahat ng mga almost social media platforms, if it's Puerto Princesa, you're getting a lot of engagements. How do you feel about that?
I'm happy, but it doesn't change me anyway. I'm still me. It doesn't change. I think it's because I'm a new face in the modeling or pageantry industry, especially in national. Because I first only joined on province, I'm very happy because a lot of people supports me even though I do not know them. And I cannot promise anything, but I plan to join also in international if it's God's will. And if it's for me, it is meant for me.
Yeah, if it's meant for you, I think being a Superman is really meant for you, isn't it?
Yeah, thank you very much po.
Di ba? Ikaw ang sinasabi ng Superman of the Misters of Pilipinas.
Yeah. Actually, kahit sa Palawan, they call me Superman. I don't know if it's in the body, in the heights, or in my facial shape sa mukha ko, but thank you very much because they consider me as Superman.
Okay, congratulations in advance and good luck to your journey here at Misters of Pilipinas Year 12.
Yes, thank you very much po. And I would like to invite everyone that is watching, even though the people that do not know me or lives not only in Puerto Princesa, Palawan or in whole Palawan, I invite you to support our pageant to the October 3 Fitness Challenge and to more upcoming events that we have. Don't forget to follow Misters of Pilipinas on Instagram and Facebook, and to our final coronation October 22 po.